Hi, welcome to Rahajeng Studio.
Hi, I'm so excited to be here.
We're so thrilled to have you. Let me show you around. So this is our Studio A, and as you can see, it's being prepped for a photo shoot.
Cool space. Whoever did the floors, ate.
Thank you. It's from Epoxy from PT SMBU, and he did such a good job from both our studios. So professional. But Studio A is more minimal and simple, and clients love to transform it to whatever they want. Welcome to Rahajeng Closet.
Nice. What do you do here?
So me and my sisters have so much stuff. We're talking clothes, bags, shoes, you name it. And this is where we start and sell our pre-loved items. 100% goes to charity.
Is this where you also take content?
Oh, let me show you where we do that. So behind these beautiful DB style curtains is actually where you'll see Kak Novi. Hi Kak.
Hi.
So Kak Novi here takes care of the Rahajeng Closet, and she's actually taking content right now.
Hi, Kak Novi. I love what you're doing here.
Thank you, Kak. The charity is actually something we try to do every month, and our big dream is to build our own school.
That's amazing. Wait, what's that room there?
Oh, whatever you do, don't go in that room. Anyway, my sister will show you upstairs. Oh, hi there, come in.
Sorry to interrupt.
No worries. So we're in Studio B right now, and as you can see behind us, we have a client renting out the space, and they're in the middle of their photo shoot.
Sweet studio. Love how you decorated the space.
Thank you. Well, let's talk about the furniture. We have our couch and then our coffee table. That is from Decoruma. And then over there, we have our fireplace and our mirror table. That is from Soiree Party. And of course, we had to have the white epoxy, and that is from PT SMBU.
So this is where the magic happens.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, we have created so many amazing content here. It's pretty great.
Oh, and I hear there's an office space too.
Yeah, it's upstairs. Let me show you. Welcome to the 4th floor. This is where we do our meetings. We have our snack room here, our coffee corner.
Wow, the first thing I noticed were the gorgeous floors and that couch. Stunning.
I know, right? The couch and the armchair both are from Oslo, and this beautiful carpet is from Lumen Stone.
And of course, it's from Envara, and it's actually one of my favorite parts of the entire room.
I love it.
Hey guys, does anybody want some coffee?
Ah, that would be great.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So what do you think? This is our office and our studio.
Thank you so much for the tour. I cannot wait to start working here.
Welcome to Rahajeng.